If your tile grout is looking old and dingy and you're ready to re-grout, you don't have to. Removing your current grout and starting over isn't always the best solution. In fact, grout colorant may be your answer. Yes, you can color your grout. In this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about applying a grout colorant to renew your grout to the exact color it was at installation, or change your grout to a whole new color with a professional finish. Let's take a look. Essential grout basics. Your grout is likely sanded or unsanded, depending on the installation. Sanded grout is made with sand particles. The sand thickens the grout, making it stable and preventing shrinkage in the joints. Unsanded grout doesn't have sand. It's a mixture of Portland cement, powder fillers, water, and polymers. Because it doesn't contain sand particles, it's not as stable. It's also stickier and smoother than sanded grout and holds up well in vertical installations. Grout colorant can be used on sanded or unsanded grout. Identifying your tile. Coloring your grout isn't as difficult as it sounds, but there are steps you need to follow to get the high-quality, professional-grade finish you're after. The first thing you have to do is determine what kind of tile you have, porous or glazed. If you're using grout colorant on a porous tile or natural stone floor, you must seal it first, or the colorant will penetrate the tile and stain it. Porous tile varieties include unglazed ceramic or porcelain, brick, travertine, limestone, and concrete. Porous tiles increase traction, but dirt and moisture can seep into the pores, causing stains and making it harder to keep clean. Telling the difference. Knowing the difference is important, and if you're unsure, touch them and look at them. When glazed ceramic or porcelain tiles are clean, they feel polished and smooth to the touch, like glass. If you have extra tiles, pick one up and look at the side of the tile or underneath. Since glazing only covers the surface and a little down the sides, if the bottom doesn't match it, it's glazed. Porous tiles feel rougher, and the sides or bottom of the tile will be the same color as the surface. If the tile has been sealed, water will bead up on the surface. Porous tile must be sealed prior to using grout colorant. Choosing grout colors. After you confirm that your best solution is to use a grout colorant, it's time to choose the shades you want. Do you want your grout to blend with the design of your space, or do you want it to make a statement? For blending, beiges, grays, and creams work well with natural tile colors. If you want your grout to pop, go with a grout color that's either lighter or darker than your tile. If you have multicolored tile, you can choose a color within the tile for blending, or white or charcoal to make your own statement. Grout colorants aren't limited to whites, beiges, or grays. There are hundreds to choose from. Prepping your tile. Now that you know what color you're using and what type of tile you have, it's time to start prepping. Clean the grout using a soft bristle brush with a good cleaner, or a 50-50 mix of white vinegar and clean water. Remove any loose particles, residue, and soap, then allow it to dry. If your grout has an existing sealant on it, you'll have to strip it off. You'll know the grout is sealed if water beads up on the joints as you're cleaning it. In most cases, discolored or stained grout doesn't have any remaining sealant on it. Manufacturers have their own steps to follow for their colorant, so make sure you follow the instructions provided. Here at Grout Getter, we carry a wide array of grout and caulk products to help you finish your kitchen or bath projects. Our grout colorant kits come in several colors and can be ordered to match all the different grout manufacturers' colors, including the brand new hues and the hard-to-find grout colors originally used in your home. We also carry a complete line of colored caulking so you can match the color of your grout colorant. Visit our site today to browse through our many color options. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share.